Stop clicking on stuff. Give me the window. So give me this material real quick and apply it to here. Poop. Coming. Lighting is a whole beast of its own. Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's something I will have to learn for this game. So this project will teach me a bunch of new skills. So shaders is one of them because I will be heavily relying on shaders for effects. Well, modeling I know, but I'm going to refine this because usually I just use assets and just modify assets, but here I'm building the entire thing myself. What was the third one? 3D modeling, lighting, yeah. So 3D modeling, shaders and lighting are the big skills that I'm tackling with this project. Like that's the things I want to focus on. With every project, I'm trying to focus on something specifically and learn that thing. So for this one, I know it's huge things that I chose to do, but they are required for this game. There you go. Look, all the windows are colored. I think it looks fine. I think it looks fine. Here I still need to work on the holes, but yeah. Okay, cool. So we have windows, doors, floors, walls. We need to finish this wall, this door, and this door. And we're about to have ads. I'm just gonna continue coloring these stuff. Oh, maybe the windows needs to be colored separately from outside and inside. Actually, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm used to architectural visualization, where window frame, for example, is much more complex beast. Doing a bool subtract for the glass to create the details for the frame and create holes that allow light to bleed. I've never done any lighting until bells. And then, okay, we have ads. We have ads. Let me. Okay, these are. It's actually coming together. I kinda like it. Okay, let's go to this. Imagine that slightly more complex. Okay. Well, we have. Oh shit! What the fuck? Yeah. Bottom rail. Air latch. There's an air latch in Windows. Or is it something different than I'm thinking? Are we still in ads? We're still in ads. Drain hole? What the fuck are those? What a spacer. Okay. This is a 3-layered window. Homestratosphere.com. What is this website? But yeah, you will never use it in the game. Okay, we're out of ads. Let me catch up on the chat. So Dreamer, for your previous comment about the lighting bleeding in, I believe I will have a lot of issues with that. But you know, or rather, if it happens, I will tackle it. You know, but the reason why I went with these simple shapes for the frames, like I didn't want to go with something like this. This was the original plan. Not this. This. Like originally I thought to do the windows like this. Like with this window, what is it called? Table, I think. and basically this shape of window, but then I decided like, fuck it, I will do it. I'll do something simple for now, like just simple frame seal. Right, isn't the seal this part? Or yeah, I've been learning so many words while working on this project. Yeah, I've been literally looking at like something like that. Right here. Yeah, you're right. The seal is the outside. The stool is the on the inside. I know, right? So many names. I was looking these names up because I needed to know the dimensions, but yeah. My game, or rather not my game, the model is pretty much real scale. So I was like measuring my walls, my doors, my windows. I was like, Googling like window sizes, America, because this is going to be in American. Like, which chart did I use? I don't remember. Like checking like the sizes and all of that. I've never done this before. This is actually pretty fun. I'll tell you that. Modeling is fun. And I'm glad I came back to it. Okay, we were doing this. Boop. Right. Do we have, oh, we don't have a frame for this. So we need to do something with the door because right now the glass door is just a square or rectangle. And we need to cave it in. Yeah, basically we need to do what we did with the windows. So we need to create this portion of the glass because this is a sliding door, so it's gonna be glass. Okay, let's do it. Do I want to do it? Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. You're gonna grab these two faces. You're gonna press the I button. I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna do this. And this should be of a thickness, no wait, of about 0.01. That's 1 centimeter. Actually, give me a second. Inset? I don't know what they call it. Inset, yeah, you're right. Give me a second. I'm gonna grab a ruler and I'm gonna check my door. Be right back. Okay, so it's about 7 centimeters, at least on my door, but there is about 1 or 1.5 centimeters that goes like inside the wall, right? But I don't have it, and I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna do 6. We don't, yeah, we're gonna do whatever looks fine. Actually, the skills may be transferable. I think they are. I think all these models, no, all these 3D programs, the skills are pretty much the same. The tools might be a bit different, but the skills are definitely the same. 0.05. I think we're gonna go with 5 centimeters. That looks fine. That looks good enough. Okay, so we insert, insert, inset, 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 and then how do we cave it in? No. Extrude? No, that does something weird. Hey, So the way I do it, and I'm probably not doing it properly, is just taking these two faces. Can I just move them in? Is that gonna work? Without destroying the shape of it? I don't think so. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. We need to extrude it inside like this. But can I do it at the same time for both? No, no. Okay. I've used about 5 different 3D packages. They're all fundamentally the same tools with different keybinds. Yep. Yep. I think the most different is it's like, they can behave a bit differently, but Dreamer, as you mentioned, the modifiers might be a bit different, but yeah, I don't I think it's still a problem. No, actually, we cannot just extrude them in because the inside faces, these two are going to be transparent like the windows, and if we just extrude the faces in, we're going to see hollows on the side, so we would see gaps in these in here. So let's just how did I do the window? I think I used extrusion and then I just fixed it up. Okay, let's do that. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, you know what? Delete faces. Um, so you see these? Yeah, now we need to fill that in. So grab edge, face it. Grab, face. Grab, face. Grab, face. Okay, so now it's good. And from this thing, let's just make sure. Yep. Now let's make the glass. With Max Unity several years ago, and switching constantly wasn't as the basic camera movement in the UI. Just Alt Control now button. Yeah, yeah, it was. I mentioned it in the beginning of the stream. It's so annoying. Like in Unity, to move around, you click on the mouse wheel. In Blender, the mouse wheel rotates you. If you want to move in Blender, it's Control. Wait, it's Shift and then mouse wheel. And if you do it in Unity, it moves you fast. So this is without the shift, with the shift, like it flies you around the scene. That's why you see whenever we blend with in Unity, that's why I'm flying all around the scene because I misclick all this stuff. Fun stuff. All right. And this Y up maxes Z up. Interesting. Oh yeah, here too. Yeah, same. So this is the Y, and in Blender it's Z up. I guess they did that because of I wanted to say something, I forgot. Oh, I think the reason why Unity has it Y, X, and Z for depth is because of 2D games. That's probably it. So yeah, you have the Y, X. I think it's like that. Y, X, and Z in Unity. Right-handed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's what. like that. Yeah. Okay. So how do we do the glass? How did I do the glass last time? What's the appropriate? Oh, I know how I did it. I know. I remember exactly how I did it. I did. Let's bring the word cursor to selection. Fine. Let's do this. Let's bring a cube. Scale it down, bring it up, turn on snap on edges. And so let's do this. I should always be up because that's the direction of the real world. Rather than max drive me, that's first. I agree. You know what? Even if you don't want Y to be up, at least have all the programs are agree on one thing. Like at least do that. I don't care if you want X to be up, fine, but at least have everyone agree on that. But no, everyone is special. We want to use Fahrenheit. We want to use inches because it makes sense. What is it? 12 inches is a foot. That makes sense. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this, then select them. And then we're gonna scale on the X like so. Boop. Design apps are Z up because architectural plans are X and Y on the ground, so Z has to be up. Interesting. It's ridiculous. How fat is it? Computer screens and graphs are Y up. Top depth is Z. Yeah. So for the computers, it makes sense, right? Because it's X, Y. But I didn't know that about architectural plans. Let me make sure I talk like this. Yeah, he is. Okay, so since we're doing, you know what, fuck it, it's good enough. Oh no, it's not good enough. I need to know what's the thickness of these two. Boop. 2 meters. Fucking hate this tool. 0. My phone just explodes with a notification all of a sudden. 3.8 centimeters. Can we do it? Can we do it like a round number? 4 centimeters. Yeah, let's do it 4. Actually, let's look at the this. No, not this. That's a special one. This one. Boop. No, boop, boop. There you go. How thick are you? The guilty as charged. Boop. Okay, so you're 2.5 centimeters, which is this much. Sure. I know it doesn't really matter, but I like consistency. So 25 divided by 2, that's 10, 12, 12, 15. 1250. So we need 12.5. And then on U minus 0.0125. There you go. Cool. All right, Roger. Thank you for being here. Have a good night. Is it centered? Yeah, okay. Z is definitely up. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Yeah, I agree with you, Dreamer. Again, I don't care if you have Z up, X up, Y up, as long as everyone agrees. As long as everyone agrees on it. Okay, intrude 0.05. Delete faces. Boop. Now let's touch some edges and faces. Boop. 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 Are they the same? There's a good rebind it per app, so all apps agree. Well, you can rebind. I believe you can rebind stuff, but it's just so annoying. I'm sure you can rebind stuff, but it's just so annoying to do. That's why I don't bother. And then the new version comes out, and you're like, cool. And then all the rebindings are gone to shit, and you're like, oh my god. Totally not talking from experience. Our app should ship with binding sets to mimic all other apps. Yes. Godot doesn't allow rebinding of axes. You don't have to. Oh, okay. Okay, I see what you mean. To rebind the axes. Not the keys. Oh, that's a complete different thing. Inside, so we only need one. Poop. 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 Okay, and we're doing this all over again. So grab this, enable snippet or snap it. Do 1, 2, huh? Shit. Poop. 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 And poop. Okay. Now we take these and we set to 0, 1, 2, 5. Copy that. Ooh. Oh, where's your pivot point or origin point? Where's your? It's in the middle. Bitch. That's fine. We can deal with it. Take this, put it on the negative. So now it should be the same thickness as the other one. Let's say this. And now we take the snap it tool, say center and center, press GX, ta-da, and it's centered. Cool. Okay. So we made this door. Nice. Now let's color it. Actually, I don't have frames on my walls. Oh wait, no, there is a frame. Never mind. Never mind. Just my frames go like beyond the wall. And here it's like I have the corner of the wall is the wall, and then the inside is like the frame. Okay, whatever. So how should we color this? I know how we're gonna do it. We need 3 colors for you. This is going to be